Please make sure the package can easily fit through your doorway and elevator to ensure a smooth delivery. 2 people are required to carry this product. Open the box where you want to install the product. Do not open with a sharp object. Check that no parts are missing. Use on flat flooring. Do not throw away the fuse. Turn off when not in use. No jumping or climbing on the product. Keep small children or pets away during installation. Do not modify or disassemble product. Please refrain from sharing the electrical power source with large appliances. The FAMILIE massage recliner consists of 1 box. Due to the risk of injury, please wear gloves. It is recommended that 2 or more people install the product. Please check the position of the handles on both sides of the box and use the handles when you move the product. Carefully remove the straps of the box using scissors. After removing the box straps, lift the box carefully from both sides. Remove internal packaging. Check the box of accessories on the seat of the main body. Carefully remove the vinyl. Check the accessories of FAMILIE. Pocket is already attached to the recliner. Hold the bottom of the front side panel and the handle at the back to move the product to your desired location. Do not grab the recliner by the footrest as you might drop it. Find the power cable from the product accessories. Connect the power cable to the port located at the side and turn on the power switch. Rotate the footrest to activate the calf massage. Press the power button to check whether the product is working properly. You are all set now. Ensure Bluetooth is turned on in your phone's settings. Scan for available Bluetooth devices and look for a device name starting with FAMILIE Bluetooth number. Enter the Bluetooth password 9999. Once paired, your massage chair is now connected to your phone via Bluetooth.